new cancer care center primarily for OFWs is set to become operational soon in San Fernando, Pampanga. The details in this report by mobile journalist Julie Baiza.
President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. inaugurated the Bagong Pilipinas Cancer Care Center at the OFW Hospital in Pampanga. The president cited that based on the data from the Philippine Statistics Authority, cancer ranks as the second leading cause of death in the country from January to May this year.
And this is why the hospital's second floor will be dedicated to the Bagong Pilipinas Cancer Care Center. While the vision is clear, we acknowledge that work remains to be done to ensure that this facility will be equipped to serve those who are in need.
PBBM also emphasized the OFW's strength, determination, and sacrifices. He said it is only fitting to give them the care and support that they deserve.
Sa aming minamahal na OFWs, ang karagdagang pasilidad na ito ay para po sa inyo, sa inyong pamilya. Hindi naman natin hinahangad na maggamit ninyo ito. Ngunit mas makakahinga tayo kung maluwag kung alam natin na may matatakbuhan na ospital ang ating mga OFW sa oras ng inyong pangangailangan.
The Cancer Care Center is expected to accommodate 64 patients and offer chemotherapy, diagnostic services, surgical oncology, and other treatments. Construction is scheduled to begin in January 2025. For his part, Department of Migrant Workers Secretary Hans Leo Kakdak said that many OFWs suffer from cancer.
Ito ay bunsod ng matagal na rin pagsusuri na marami mga OFWs na talagang ang illness nila is cancer. No? They have served for a long time abroad and for one reason or another, perhaps stress and yung mga dinanas nila bilang OFWs, eventually they become afflicted with cancer. So added to this, ang ating mahal na Secretary Susan Toots Ople, bago siya pumano, talagang habilin niya. Make sure na dito sa ating OFW Hospital, merong susunod na proyekto which is yung pagtatayo ng cancer care facility. And of course, the President gave his full support.
Earlier, President Marcos also paid tribute to the late Department of Migrant Workers Secretary Susan Ople, acknowledging her tireless dedication to the welfare of OFWs. Mobile journalist Julie Baiza, We Are One News.